In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your lovable site to actually rank on Google, step-by-step tutorial. Search visibility starts with clarity and consistency, so we'll keep this simple and focused. First, open Lovable and head into the project you want to make SEO ready. Inside your project dashboard, take a quick mental inventory of what's already there, your home page and key subpages, current page titles, meta descriptions, headings, and any images that matter to your brand. If you have a short list of target keywords or topics, keep them handy. Think about your audience, the problems you solve, and the locations you serve. That context will guide the prompt you're about to write. Now, in Lovable's prompt area, you'll ask the AI to optimize your website for SEO without changing your design, layout, or brand voice. Be explicit. Tell it to audit and recommend, not to rewrite or rearrange. A clear prompt might sound like this. Audit this site for on-page SEO and propose improvements without altering the layout or brand style. Keep existing copy intent, but suggest page titles, meta descriptions, H1, H3 structure, improved alt text, internal linking opportunities, and lightweight performance wins. Focus on your main topics for your audience/region and recommend structured data types if relevant. Return results page by page as suggestions only. You can also add your primary and secondary keywords, your tone of voice, and languages or regions you're targeting. The more context you give, the smarter the recommendations will be. If you're not sure how to phrase your prompt, use the built-in AI helper to draft one for you. Provide your niche products or services and audience, and let it generate a base prompt. Then tighten it up so it preserves your current design and content intent. If you prefer to write it yourself, keep it concise, outcome-focused, and unambiguous about no visual changes. When results come back, review them on screen before applying anything. Look for page-specific title tags in the 50 to 60 character range, compelling meta descriptions around 150 to 160 characters, keyword-aligned H1s, scannable subheadings, descriptive image alt text, and logical internal links that connect related pages. If schema is suggested, note which type is recommended so you can implement it later. And if performance tips appear, such as compressing large images or minimizing unused scripts, capture those for your next optimization pass. That's it. You've set clear instructions, leveraged AI for targeted SEO guidance, and kept your site's look and feel intact. Congratulations and happy optimizing.